Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are swapping out the hood on my wife's car. She finally got the VFN Sunoco hood, so we'll be doing that today. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and I hope you enjoy the video. So here it is. I picked this up in Fort Wayne, Indiana. A buddy of mine, Eric Sclatter, I don't know how you say his last name, so if you see this, don't take it personally. I don't know how to say it. But his car had a black stripe on it. Well, I don't know if we're gonna keep the black stripe on her car or not. She made us paint it red or whatnot. I don't know what she wants to do. Then it also has hood pins. She don't want hood pins, so we'll probably get that fiberglass in whenever we do paint it, a few weeks or months, however long it takes to save up to get it painted. That is taking place of her OEM SS hood. And no, before anybody asks and comments on this video, this hood is not for sale. It's not going to be for sale. We're going to take it and put it right back in that box and keep it. And say we buy another F body one day, we'll have a SS hood to throw on it for whatever reason. Alright, so now we are going to pop the hood and start taking it off. It should be a pretty easy little swap, hopefully. I'm pretty sure you just unbolt it there and there, then yeah, it should be pretty easy.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
All right, we finally got her hood off. I think she's just gonna roll like this for a few days. You gonna roll like that for? But it's pretty simple. There's just 2 bolts on each side, and you gotta take these. I don't know what you call them, but they hold the hood up. You gotta take those off, and it pops right off. So now we're just gonna set the hood on the car, make sure she actually likes it, which I hope she does. So we're gonna do that real quick. Then we will bolt it down. So we finally got it halfway on. It's got 1 bolt on each side. I'll have to adjust a little bit because you can see there's a big gap right there and not so big of a gap right here. So I have to loosen the bolts a little bit and just tweak it just a little bit. But I think it really looks good. It definitely look good with my car rolling down the street whenever I get it done. But we're going to finish bolting it on. Alright, so we almost got the hood all the way on. For some reason, the stock bolts and everything will not fit on the VFN hood. I've got these tight as hell, and as you can still see, it's loose. And I've got these tight as hell too, and the hood's not all the way bolted down. So I came over here to my car. Thank God we got 2 of these cars. And it looks like they are different bolts, like somebody else went and got different bolts. So we're gonna make a trip to Lowe's and buy some bolts and hopefully get this thing on. So I'm gonna take one out of my hood and go find some bolts for it at Lowe's. So that's what we're gonna go do. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Or take these bolts out and bolt it down, then we'll see. Yeah, we might do that. All right, so we finally got back. We went and got some new bolts. If you do this, you need 2, 4, 6, or there are 5/16, 18 by 3/4 inch long. I got grade 8 that way, nice and strong. Right here you can see the difference in the stock bolt and the bolts we're using. This is the one out of my hood, but it's a little bit shorter, ain't got the point to it, and I guess that's what makes the difference, because I had this one tightened down all the way and the hood still wasn't tight. So I took the bolt out of my hood, and it worked fine. So we went to Lowe's and got some bolts. So now we are finally going to actually finish putting the hood on and adjusting everything. So we'll do that now. Alright, so we got it as good as it's probably going to get for now. Only problem I was really having was it shutting right here, like a little lip the hinge goes on. Then I don't know if this is supposed to hit right here on the windshield wiper cowl. I know mine don't, but mine's also a bigger, mine's like a 3-inch cowl, I think. This is like a 2-inch maybe. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully don't crack any of this. And the only other issue I see is it sticks up right here just a hair, kind of like my hood does, but that's why I have hood pins. But she don't have hood pins, so once we get like a professional body shop to actually tweak the hood on, I'm sure it will be a lot better. I'm not no body guy by any means, so but I think it looks really good. You like it? You gotta show them your shirt. Fast tours aren't just for the boys. But we're gonna put that around her windshield. No, not really. She's gonna pull it out for us. Definitely looks really good. You know what looks better than this?
What?
The driver. But what I think I'm gonna do is where it's hitting right here, I might take my Dremel and just Dremel out right there on the windshield wiper cowl. That way, I just don't want that to crack. She's paid a lot of money for this hood for it to crack. Definitely looks good. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. Basically, that's us putting on her hood. I will leave a link in the description below for VFN's website where you can get her hood or my 3-inch SS hood. I'll leave a link down below for that. The only reason why we got this one is she wanted it, and just everybody has the SS hood. She tells me every day. She sees like 20 of her cars on the internet because everybody has the SS hood. And we found this one. It was a really good deal from my buddy in Fort Wayne. If you call VFN, their wait time is like 8 weeks, so we didn't want to wait that long. So gladly and luckily we found this hood. But that's going to do it for this video. So make sure you hit the like, subscribe button, and hope you enjoyed it.